Okay, let me get busy planting my Texas early white onions. Okay, let's see how many I'm gonna be able to get up in this round raised bed. Okay, look at here. Let's see. Push it down in there. Let's see, spread them out. Give them a little room to grow. I punched a lot of holes down in the soil. I'll just see if I can, look at this big one here. It's gonna need a lot of space. Let's see if I can get you down in there. Okay, okay. See if I can make some neat rows of you. Okay. Get them all in here, as many as I can. And I'm gonna water them in. And then move to another area and plant my yellow onions and my red onions. This is the Texas early white onions. Okay. Let me speed this up, put this camera down a little bit and get these all sewed in here. Okay. Okay, got a little bit started. Let me finish the rest. Okay, I planted almost over 105 of the Texas early white onions in this bed. Come on, grow big. I'm gonna add my straw back on top of it. They gave me some extra ones. I picked out all the ones that were big. A lot of the smaller ones were still in the bag. I'll plant them somewhere else. Right now, come on onions, get busy growing. The Texas early white onions. Okay. I'm going to sprinkle in a few of these carrots in here with the onions. They're good companion plants. The onions kind of protect the carrots from all kind of pests that's trying to eat them. So let me sprinkle in a few of these carrot seeds in here with the onions and then water everything in. Come on, water you guys in good. And put the straw back on top of you guys and wait and watch you grow. Okay. Okay, the onions are all covered up with the straw. Now come on onions and grow big and beautiful for us. Okay, I'm getting ready to spread some of the Texas Legend yellow onions around my collard green bed to help deter some of the pests. Okay, let me see if I put in some holes around up in here. And plant my onions. To help fight some of these bugs that's over here trying to eat on my collard greens. get ready to plant these. That's a nice size one. Okay. Come on. Make a little circle around these collard greens. Help fight those bugs that's in here trying to eat on them. Okay, let me finish spreading them around. The Texas Legend yellow onions. Okay, I'm gonna spread some more of the Texas Legend yellow onions over in these areas too. Digging the little holes around here. Over here with my cabbage. Help keep some of those pests off of them too. Okay, make a little circle around them. Okay. A lot of little small ones. Okay. Come on, grow big for us. Okay. Onions. Do your job. Tear these pests off of the cabbage area. Okay. Get over here and spread them around in the other areas too.